Ian from Lean Media. Today I'm talking about the steps you need to take if the wrong image appears on your listing. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Let's get started. A customer last week let me know that there was an issue with one of the product images. And sure enough, when I went to the product listing, I found that an old product image for some reason was populating this particular listing. So when you see something like this, the first thing you need to do is to investigate the problem and see what's going on. So at first I was afraid that for some reason maybe somebody had taken over my listing and this is my own branded product. It actually turned out to be not that particular issue, but I didn't know that, but you need to look into it. So that's the first step. The second step you need to do, once you've identified that yes, the wrong listing is there and maybe there is something you can do about it, is you need to go to the Amazon FBA inventory, go to the particular listing, this one right here, scroll to the right, and then select the downward pointing arrow and edit listing. So what you're going to do is to go into the listing and then either reset the main image or upload new images if that's what's required. So if that fails, and you might need to wait a day or two to see if the tactic of uploading new images actually works. If that fails, the next step is to go to Amazon to file a case. So you go to help, and then you follow this particular workflow for getting support for the case. So what I did is I created a case, and I told them the wrong image is being shown to customers browsing this particular ASIN. It shows 50 sheets instead of 40, and I explained that this was an old image. It reappeared, and I can't replace it. And I tried to do that, and see what they say. So the person who responded, Kurti, said, after looking into it, I found that this attribute you would like to update for this ASIN has already been claimed by another representative of the brand. So when this person, or maybe it isn't even a person, it's possible it's just some sort of very badly programmed artificial intelligence or algorithm. When they responded this way, I knew that they didn't know what they were talking about, because in this case, my listing is I'm the only brand representative. This is like a brand registered item. It's an Amazon transparency. Nobody else has the right or the ability to edit this particular listing. Nobody. I don't work with any third-party agencies or anything like that. This is just me. So when this person says claimed by another representative of the brand, wrong. And then we recommend to you to reach out to the account of the winning contributor in order to agree on the changes. This is complete baloney. So when I got that, I knew that this particular seller support rep didn't know what they were talking about. When you get a message like this, a nonsensical or completely wrong answer, don't get all huffy and write an angry email back to them. What you need to do is you need to reopen the particular case, and basically you press get help on the case, and then don't use the email option. Use the phone option, and basically they'll call you back. And I found the phone support for Amazon sellers, at least in my case, the phone support is far better. And the very helpful support rep who answered the phone was able to identify it. Yes, there was some sort of back-end issue on their end. She was able to fix the problem. She said it would take 24 to 48 hours. I went back to the listing, and indeed, a new image was there, and you can see that it says 40 sheets total. I can actually see that there might be some other issue. It looks a little bit fuzzy when I'm just hovering over it like that, although when I zoom in, it looks okay. So I might have to edit that again. But those are the steps that you need to take when you identify that or when you think that there's a problem with the wrong images showing up on your Amazon FBA listing. If this video helped you out, please take a moment to like it and follow me. If you go to leanmedia.org, click on blog or video, lots more free content explaining how to get the most out of Amazon programs. Thank you so much for watching.